Pass save Anderson, cleared out by Svechnikov.
Little screen there by Barkov.
And now a steal. Here comes Aho, moving it on Bobrovsky. Score!
I think I can. I think I can.
Aho in with a shot. Score!
How tough are you?
How tough am I? You got a new bottle of ketchup?
Sure.
It's on!
Up top. Now Ekblad. Ekblad shoots, score! Deflected in front on the power play. The Panthers are on the board.
Don't worry, buddy. You're doing fine. I won't let you blow this.
And Carolina wasn't able to take advantage.
Here's Bennett towards the net. Score! Rodriguez! We are tied at 2.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Come on, Kenny. Can't do that.
Just kidding. Marchand in front. Score! Lundell! Third goal of the period for Florida.
Oh my God. I am never going to financially recover from this.
Now Forsling with it. Deflected ahead by Svechnikov. Score! Jarvis ties it!
I'm doing it! I'm doing it! Yeah! Yeah!
Barkov cuts away from Orlov. Slides it across. Score!
Now you're all in big trouble.
Moves the puck ahead for Barkov. Now Bennett out of the box. Racing in. Picks up the puck and scores!
First time.